In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data in Zoho CRM. We'll start on the Zoho CRM homepage. From here, head to the Sales module so we can access the records we want to populate. For this walkthrough, I'll use the Leads module as an example, but the process is very similar for other modules like Contacts or Accounts. Inside Leads, look near the Create Lead button. Click the small drop-down beside it and choose Import Leads. This opens the import wizard, which will guide you through the process. In the From File section, click Browse and select the file from your computer. Zoho supports CSV and XLSX, so make sure your data is saved in one of those formats. A quick tip before you upload. Clean your spreadsheet first. Use a single sheet, include a clear header row, avoid merged cells and complex formulas, and ensure dates, phone numbers, and pick list values follow consistent formats. If your data includes special characters, saving as UTF-8 CSV helps preserve them correctly. Once your file is uploaded, click Next to proceed. You'll now choose how the records should be handled. Select Add as New Leads. This tells Zoho to create fresh entries from your file. If you were updating existing records, you'd use a different option, but for a clean import, adding as new is the safest path. Click. Next, to move to field mapping. Here, you'll match your file's columns to Zoho fields. Set the company field to company and set the last name field to last name. Last name is a required field for leads, and company is commonly used for business records. If Zoho auto-detects some matches, still scan through to confirm everything aligns correctly. Unmapped required fields will block the import, so it's worth taking a moment to verify. When your mappings look good, click Next. If a confirmation prompt appears, choose Yes. Continue to proceed. You'll reach the final screen, where Zoho summarizes your choices. Click Finish to start the import. Depending on your file size, this may take a moment. Zoho may process the import in the background, so don't worry if you don't see records appear instantly. When a prompt pops up, click OK to confirm. After the import completes, spot check a few records in the leads list to ensure fields landed in the right places and formatting looks correct. If anything seems off, adjust your file and mapping, then re-import. That's it. Your data is now in Zoho CRM. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more.